Nice and lovely. This is the reason why I say most of the time this is good, but you don't have to drink it all the time. But sometimes it's just very good to you to just clean out your body, clean out your immune system, detoxing your body and all these things, you know what I mean? I've been preaching this over the last 3-4 years, you know what I mean? A lot of people using it, a lot of people love it, and a lot of people like it. I'm just a simple doing a detoxing drink tea by using lukewarm water. The water not supposed to be hot, and I say that's the reason why you need to drink apple cider vinegar sometime. And the benefit with it have, you can do your own also research of apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and also lime or lemon tea. All right, look at this lukewarm water, you know. Boil my kettle about a few hours, about half an hour, so it's still a little bit lukewarm. So if you put a kettle in, just fill up a cups with some water, just like that. And what you're gonna do is put a little bit of cinnamon inside of the water, a pinch of cinnamon, and alright. And what we're gonna do next is get the lemon, or you can use lime, whatever you like, and simply squeeze it in like this. Alright, you just want to don't get the seed into it. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Lovely. So I'm always saying sometimes you don't even need to do exercise to drink this kind of drink at home. You know what I mean? You can just drink it at it is like for 10 morning on an empty stomach. And that's why I'm always saying the benefit of drinking these things on an empty stomach. So this morning when I wake up, this is the first thing I make for myself, you know, because I just wake up and I said to myself, I'm just going to make this. And also you can drink this before you go to your bed at night. So I want to say cheers, and this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna be drinking this one this morning before I go to work. Really lovely and nice, and the flavor and the taste of the apple cider vinegar and the lime, and also, you know what I mean, cinnamon, which is very good for us. Look at that, beautiful. And that do help you to clean out your immune system, because you eat a lot of meat and a lot of junk and a lot of different kind of stuff. So this is really good for you, especially cinnamon powder. That is fantastic, guys. And that's why I said this is really good to drink in the morning before you eat your breakfast, before you do your cereal, before you go to work. Just have a glass of the cinnamon and the apple cider vinegar and the lime juice and see the benefit into that, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show on Juice Bar channel. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming, because these recipes just some simple little recipe which is really good for you.